What's going on, guys? It's your boy NTG back at again with another video. In today's video, I'm gonna be showing you guys that $400 account flip to 4,000 that I did on Bitcoin. So today's video, I'm gonna be going step by step in very small detail on how to gain and flip these tiny accounts, because you guys know NTG builds on flipping accounts, right? That's just how I started. That's how I still do things. I just flip accounts. So I'm gonna be showing you guys the techniques, what to look for, how to draw out your zones, all that good stuff, so that you can get these precise entries to build accounts. Because when it comes to building small accounts, that's what matters, is the entries, right? Risk management and the entry. But the entry is important because you want to get those precise entries, because building a small account is not easy, and the littlest drawdown, the littlest error in your entry could potentially, you can lose the account because it's such a tiny account. You have to be very precise. You have to be very accurate with the trade. All right. So I'm going to be doing this full breakdown. So make sure you guys watch the whole video step by step, so you guys can take notes and take all the techniques as far as building small accounts. All right, guys. And if you guys want more videos like this, make sure you hit the like button for your boy NTG. I'm trying to do another live. So if you guys want another full breakdown, let's get 500 likes on this video, and your boy got you guys for this weekend. All right. Like I said before, I'm going to be coming back to back with videos. It's 3 days in a row, and I'm going to just keep pushing videos again and keep coming with you guys with a lot of fire videos. So make sure you guys are ready for that. All right. And make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and Twitch. I'm not going to make the intro too long, so you guys already know how we like to do it. I'm going to roll the intro, get straight into the video. Let's get it. All right, guys, so we're back on Bitcoin. I already went ahead and put up the market replay mode. I'm gonna have the the screen record. You guys know how I like to do my videos. Screen records, all the pictures to prove all the profit and the withdrawals, everything like that. So if anybody still thinks I trade demo and stuff like that, y'all know I provide everything for you guys. So profit is gonna be on the side, and you guys can follow along step by step on this Bitcoin trade, right? So when it comes to trading crypto, right? I mostly like to swing trade crypto. I don't like to scalp, but I've been trying to transition. I've been motivated to really get into the market with crypto, because I always tell you guys that crypto is going to be the new wave in the near future. I always say Forex is slowly dying. It is dying. So, traders are transitioning more into the index market, metals, and, crypto. So I've been trying to develop, nice little strategies here and there. But for this trade, I just did solely price action, right? So the first thing you want to do, as far as when you guys are approaching, flipping a small account, is you want to draw out your major zones. And I like to draw out my major zones on the daily. Okay, this is important because you guys want to trade at these zones. You don't want to trade anywhere else. You don't want to trade in the middle of the market where you can jeopardize your small account, right? So you want to zoom out of your charts, and you want to mark up all your major zones, right? And you guys can use this pivot point, right? This pivot point high low indicator right here. Pivot point high low indicator is updated. It's a nice update. It's a lot more accurate than the last update. It definitely got rid of a lot of the filters that it used to come with. As far as the indicator, it used to spam a lot of high lows, but now it's a lot more accurate. And the new layout is lovely. So I definitely recommend you guys use this to mark up your zones, right? So I had a lot of zones here at resistance, and it's really good at pointing out high levels of support, resistance. So mark up these zones, and you want to trade at these zones, right? So this was my mindset as far as when I was going to flip this account, right? I need to get a major zone to flip at. So that's the first thing you want to do. And then the second thing you want to do, of course, you want to go to the lower time frames, wait for your confirmation, and you want to trade the market. Now, if you guys see my I will be posting my screen recordings here on the side. But then also another important key note, right, is you want to use the proper lots, right? my recommendation for when you are building an account, and I told my one of my members, because they asked me a question about why I put like so much 0.5s, 0.5s, you know, mini lots, micro lots, all that good stuff. What I like to do that because I like to break my positions, right? So instead of entering like one big position like at a standard or a 0.50, right, I like to break it up. So if I want to enter a 0.50, then I'll enter 10 0.05s. Now, why do I do this? One, because if I ever reach negative margin, because you will reach negative margin when you are trying to flip an account. So when I reach that, you know, when you hit that negative margin, your broker automatically starts taking out your position. Now, if I have 10 0.05s, so it's only taking out a little bit. If I ever get in that situation, it's only taking out one position, you know, and I can hold my positions until it goes into my direction. Versus if I had just one big giant 0.50, it would have margin called my whole account and it would have got blown out. So if you guys break up your lot sizes, instead of just like going one lot size, one go, you will see a big difference in your trading. And I like to do that as well, because as the market is getting me into drawdown, I like to add my 0.05, 0.05, and as it's building, right? So I'm going to show you what I'm talking about, right? So once we hit the zone, all right, the third thing we want to look for is we want to get to that 1 minute time frame, guys. We got to get to that 1 minute time frame, because we're trying to build this account. This is a $10, $50, $100 account. We're trying to build this account, so we need to get to that 1 minute time frame, right? And as you guys see, I have my engulfing here. So this was my 0.05, right? Now, and this is why I love to enter at the split position size. Okay, this is key, guys. This is very key. You guys listen to this, right? As it's going down, I add 0.05, 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. You know, I'm just adding 0.05, 0.05, 0.05. And it's not taking out any of my account, because these are small lots, right? 0.05. But then when the market starts to reverse like this, if you add all these up, this is the same as a 0.50 now. You see that? So when you split it up that way, you can hold your trade a lot better and you can get those nice flips, right? So instead of having like a big 0.50 here, which would have put you in a lot of drawdown, I have a split of 0.05. So each position is like negative $10, negative $20, negative $20, negative. And then as I'm getting lower, the negatives are lower, right? So it would be like -5, -$2, -$1, instead of the 0.50 being -300. And then you have that risk of getting margin call out of your account, right? So I have my confirmation, and that's when I split my positions. Now, of course, I had stop loss right below the zone. Of course, if we start to break that zone, then obviously I want to get out that trade, all right? And then I'm just waiting for my chart pattern confirmation. This is the last thing that you guys need as far as when you're flipping the account, because you want to confirm the direction, right? We have a strong downtrend, right? We're coming off of a strong push, bearish push off of Bitcoin. And the last thing we want to do is just place our trades, pray to God, and then go to sleep, right? That's not how you want to trade, all right? This is all technicals, technical base. You want to analyze this, so you want to make sure that we're confirming the direction. And for me, how I confirm the direction of the chart pattern is a ascending triangle. So I had an ascending triangle here, and this is a bullish pattern. You guys know we have a zone of resistance and we have a trend line of support. So normally with an ascending triangle, we bounce off the triangle like this, and then we get a break of that triangle. Most of the times we do get retests, but sometimes we don't. And that's why I'm a breakout trader, because there's a lot of times where you don't see that retest. Like the market is just gone. It just shoots up. And I think this was one of the cases here for this situation. So this is a bullish pattern. So once we broke this pattern, all I had to do was wait for it to break to confirm this uptrend. Once it did, all right, this is the second thing. This is the Well, this is the last thing you guys want to do. Once you confirm your direction of a chart pattern, right? So once it starts shooting up, that's the break. Move your stop loss to break even. Boom. Protect your account. Protect your account. You need to protect your small account, okay? Let it build. Boom. Now we're going to talk about scaling in a little bit, right? So now that you have that, just let the market do its thing. Beautiful. And you're swimming in profit right now. Swimming in profit. And then you can scale in, you know, our trail stops if you want with the EMA or whatever. Now, when you're scaling in, guys, do not enter scaling in at the top, right? You do not want to do that. I know a lot of you guys experience this when you're scaling in at the top of the charts in the market. It reverses on you, and then what happens is you lose these good entries, right? You risk these good entries for bad entries, and then these bad entries go against you in the market, and then you lose your money, right? So don't do that. Just be patient. Wait for the market to give you the opportunity to scale in, right? So at this point, I can switch to the 5 minute. I can just watch the market from the 5 minute, 15 minute, and I look left, and then I just start marking out my zones, right? To see where I can get some re-entries. And that's what I did. So I waited for that retest, and then this is where I got my second re-entries. I closed profit, right? So I locked in about 3K. As you guys can see, I locked in 3K. I'm not sure if I have a screenshot of that, but I locked in 3K. Like I started closing out about more than half of these actually. I think I left only like three open down here, and then I started scaling in aggressive again. So I locked in 3K. I had stop loss like at the 1780, at the 42,780 right here. And then this was, if this went against me, I would have locked in 3K at that point, right? So 3K was already locked in regardless of any type of, you know, retracement or anything like that. All right, it was close to hitting stops, but it didn't. And then I was just watching it. I was adding positions here, and then I'm just waiting for that. Wait on the 1 minute, guys. You guys got to use the 1 minute. When you're building accounts, you have to use the small time frames, and you have to be in front of the markets. All right. Do not try and build an account and you're not in front of the charts, right? And then my TP area was above here. So this is where I wanted to get out. And that's where I started to close my position. So I'm just waiting. I'm looking at how Bitcoin is reacting to my zone here. And then of course, guys, remember, we're marking up our chart pattern. All right. Just like that. Another ascending triangle. So this is beautiful. So now I know for a fact, all I got to do is wait for that break. 2 ascending triangles back to back. This is beautiful. Now I did not get out this trade here. Okay. This is, for me to get out this trade, I needed to break that zone. So this pattern for me is still valid. So I'm waiting for it because we're on the 1 minute. So, you know, patterns getting broken like this will be a common thing, guys. So just be aware of that. All right. So now we're consolidating. I'm waiting for it still to break my zone. I still have that zone out. Let's go to the 5 minute just so we can make it a little bit faster, right? So you guys see how we're reacting to that zone. Let me push it out again. See how we're reacting to that zone there. Just waiting for that big push there. Boom. And that was it. Actually, no. Yeah, that's right. I got out here. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let me wait. Hold on. Let me look. Yeah. Oh, this is where I got out. So I don't know why I put it up there. But yeah, this is where I got out. I got out right here before the big push. And then it started dropping again. And then that's how I was able to build a $400 account to 4,000. This is normal stuff. This is not new, guys. This is not no shocker. You guys know I've been flipping accounts like this for the longest. This is not even like my biggest flip. But I just wanted to show you guys the process, the step-by-step process, because I don't think I really went into detail as far as like the lot size and everything on the video. So I wanted to break that down for you guys. And I'm going to have more videos like this. I'm going to be breaking it down. Like I said before, guys, I'm going to be back. It's going to be a fire week, fire month, fire year. I'm going to be coming with videos back to back. All right, guys. So if you guys want me to do that stuff for you guys, make sure you guys hit that like button for your boy. If you guys enjoyed the video, make sure you hit the like button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. I'm going to have so much videos like this, more videos like this, trade breakdowns, psychology, strategies, lives, everything. All right. So your boy's gonna be back breaking this market down for y'all all day, every day. All right, y'all. So that's it for the video. It was your boy Anti G, and I'm out. Peace.